Now, I know I have made a lot of chicken dishes, and this one is going to be another chicken dish, but this is a rock star dinner, I'm telling you, and it comes together really fast, and it's after 7 o'clock, so that's why I need a fast and easy dinner. So I'm just going to use my hands, it takes too long. I don't have a lot of time left, so I'm just going to crumble up my chicken. This is just so good and so quick and easy, and the recipe that I used it from, I will link it below, but I have speeded up the process. So you can do it either way, but I know I've shared this before a couple times on my channel, but this is just a really family friendly, family favorite dish. So I dumped chicken, a can of chicken. It's probably maybe a cup and a half. You can add as much chicken as you want. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to add 1 container of sour cream, the whole thing. Just stir that in. So like I said, I will leave a link to the original recipe. I'm going to add some garlic salt. I'm going to use up my garlic salt before I usually use garlic powder. And I'm also adding a can of green chilies, which that is the best part. I love green chilies in anything. And that's your sauce. You don't need any kind of flour. You don't need any kind of cream of chicken soup. This is all it is. And it is so, so good. So I'm just going to let this cook and thicken up a little bit. And then while that's cooking, I'll show you how I do the tortillas. I've got a pack of 10 flour tortillas. Okay, I cut it into strips and then I cut them down the middle. So now I have all these tortilla strips. And as soon as my sauce gets done, I'm going to put the strips of tortillas into the sauce and mix it together. Okay, it is heated up. I did put another can of green chilies in there. I think put two small cans or 1 large can in there. It's been a while since I made it. I think the green chilies really make this, so make sure you use a pretty good bit of those. Alright, it's heated up. It is boiling now, so I'm going to add these strips. Just add them right into the chicken mixture. The original recipe tells you to make the sauce, reserve some of the sauce, put your chicken in, and then put the chicken in the tortilla, wrap it up, and then pour the sauce over the top. And that's just too many steps for me. So what I started doing was just cutting these strips up and putting them in there. And the sauce absorbs into the tortillas. It's almost like a Mexican chicken pie. It takes much less time to cook, and it's just as good as the original. And I don't know if I'll use all of them. You don't want it to be too dry, because you're going to cook this. You're going to bake this in the oven. Oh, it'll probably take most of these. And you could just take out 5 or 6 and put them and cut them up and see how they are, because different tortillas are going to be different. Alright, I'm going to get all my strips coated. And now we'll move along to the next step. It looks soupy now, but believe me, the tortillas will absorb a lot of that in the oven. We love it around here. And I took it to a reunion one time, and a couple people asked me for the recipe. Okay, so now I'm just going to put cheese over the top. You can use any kind of cheese, cheddar cheese. I'm using pepper jack cheese. You can use Colby Jack, Monterey Jack. I would usually use cheddar cheese, but I don't have any that's open, and I already have this in my refrigerator because we use it all the time. We love it. It's kind of a little Christmassy with those little peppers on there. I've got the oven at 400 degrees, and everything is already cooked in here, so all you want is it nice and bubbly and the cheese brown on top. So I'm going to stick it in there uncovered, and I'll let you know how long it took when I come back. Alright, y'all, it was like 20 minutes in the oven, and I've just let it set for about 10 minutes. I heated up a can of the Aldi Mexican corn. I've never tried it, but it tastes pretty good. I really wanted some of my rice. There's a rice that I really like, but I thought I had bought some, but I guess I didn't. So we're just going to have this with some corn. Alright, y'all. It was about a 30-minute meal. It's just a little bit after 8 o'clock, but I got everything done, and this is amazing, and I cannot wait to eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave the recipe down below if you want to try it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.